What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've just been having a change round in the studio here, a few more bits and pieces that we've been doing, and I've been working away for a bit and on a mystery trip, so can't really say a great deal about that, but back in the studio now, and we've just been detailing another fantastic car as well, and that shall be going onto my YouTube channel on Monday. So if you'd like to see more of that, stay tuned and I'll have more updates on that shortly. Also, we've got 60,000 plus views on our VW Caddy van, and I was thinking, what should we do next? Because I get lots of messages and phone calls of people, I like that van, seen it about, this, that and the other. So what I thought to do is, for you guys, I'll put another video together of our next conversion. So in the meantime as well, what we've also got is a drone too, so we can have that out and about following the van or the Focus RS once we get that out a bit later next year. So that's another addition as well to some of the equipment that we've got. So let's go and take a look at what we've got over here, and I'll explain a few more bits and pieces. Right, so put that back in there just for now, for the time being. As I say, this is the jigsaw that we're going to be using shortly. Got the extended air line as well, so we can actually cut all that centre section out. So we'll just go and get the bumper now and take a look at what this is. So now we've got the VW Golf GTI GTD front bumper here that we're going to be fitting onto the Caddy shortly. So we've got quite a bit to cut out on this. So, and also this is quite flexible, this bit here. So with it being in packaging, I'm going to sort that out. I'm going to get the centre grille section, these pieces here, the rear side lights too for the bumper, front splitter as well. So this is the next ongoing project for our Caddy. That's the bumper. What we've got to do is cut quite a bit of this off all around this section here and tape it all up. So that's going to be another video coming shortly on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. And if you'd like to see more of this, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell and you'll be notified once the video goes live. In the meantime, if you'd like any further information on any of our car detailing services, don't hesitate, give us a call. Check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk, and I'll be back soon with more videos. Catch you later.